Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install animated clock widgets on your any Xiaomi device. So let's begin. Okay guys, first go to themes. After go to themes, simply search V50. After search V50, guys look at this My Life V50 theme name. Simply download this theme. Guys, remember, before apply, simply minimize and first add your system clock widget on your home screen. Look at this. I add my clock widget. Now again go to themes and apply V50 theme on your Xiaomi device. After apply, look at this clock widget add on my Xiaomi device. First, let me show you lock screen. Look at this beautiful animated lock screen. And this animation also add on my system home screen widget. Look at this beautiful animation. Look at this guys, beautiful unlock effect. Now let me show you lock screen customization. Simply double tap on downside and look at these customization options. You also set notch. Look at this iPhone style notch. Many different notch. And you also set font style. Every clock numbers style like this. You also set date with depth effect behind object. Look at this. You also turn on off depth effect widget, and you also set colors. Now look at this downside guys, you also change animated object like this. Look at this wallpapers and animated object change. And if you apply this animated wallpaper, then this is also apply on your home screen clock. Look at this. So guys, you also enable this live clock animated widget on your any Xiaomi device. I hope guys you enjoy this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.